I've got a secret. If you've been wondering how to find virtual assistant clients on Facebook, this video is for you. I'm gonna be sharing with you my top secrets for finding real work from home opportunities via Facebook. Let's get into it. If you haven't met me, my name is Abbey Ashley. I am the CEO and founder of the Virtual Savvy. Here at the Virtual Savvy, we love virtual assistants. We have a community of over 100,000 virtual assistants that we absolutely love pouring into day in and day out. I think that virtual assistants is the future. It's one of the best jobs that you can start working for yourself, being your own boss, and experiencing that freedom life, which we're all about here at the Virtual Savvy. So if that's what you are about as well, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and click the bell to be notified every time I release new content. We're all the time talking about virtual assistants, making money from home, pricing and packaging, marketing your services. That's what we do here on this channel. So come join us. Be a savvy with us. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find virtual assistant jobs on Facebook, but we can't do this just talking to a screen. So let's go ahead and jump into the computer where I'm gonna share with you how to actually go about finding these VA jobs. All right, let's jump into how to find actual virtual assistant jobs via Facebook group. Now, I am here hanging out in Facebook, one of my favorite places, because yes, I am over 35 years of age, and so I still hang out quite a bit on Facebook. And as an aspiring virtual assistant, you want to go to where your ideal clients are hanging out, and Facebook groups could be one of the incredible places where that is happening. And so what I want you to do is I want you to find groups where your ideal client now may be hanging out. Now, if you are a general virtual assistant, then I would just recommend joining general business owner groups. What you can do in order to find those groups is go up to the search bar, and I'm going to type in business. Okay, there's so many different types of things that you could type. I'll talk about that here in a second, but I'm actually going to go down to groups. Okay, so what's going to happen is groups, now first ones that I'm already a part of are going to be popping up. So this might not be, obviously you're already a part of some of these groups, but if you have any local groups, that's always a great place to start, right? This is a public group. Now, since it's local, I would still consider potentially joining it. I don't usually recommend public groups, okay? I think that private groups are just a lot better managed, generally speaking. And so public groups tend to be spam fests. If it's a local one, it might be a little better. They might be monitoring it a little better. But from my experience, public groups are gonna be more spammy. Private groups are gonna be better quality postings. Additionally, groups that have over 5,000 people are usually the ones that I tend towards. So here's one right here, Boss Babe, Share Your Business, Learn and Teach. It's a private group. Let's check it out. This could be a really good one. So it looks like this is one I'm already a part of, but this could be a potential good group for you because it looks like it gets good engagement. What's another one? These are ones I'm already a part of, Business Boutique, Entrepreneurs and Business Owners Community. So again, a public group, I could check it out, but it might be a little spammy. Let's keep going. Humans of Online Business. Okay, again, that's one I'm a part of. These are all good ones though. If I'm a part of them, you would probably enjoy them as well. Okay, here we go. Women's Small Business Support. All right, so I'm gonna open this link. This is not one that I'm a part of. So I wanna show you how you can evaluate a group. Again, it's a private group. That's something that I like. It has over 5,000 members, something else that I like. Something I like to look at before I join is to look how many times, how engaged this group is. Now this has 199 new posts today. That's a lot. So that either means they say no spam. It either means that this is like such a crazy engaged group that this is going to be epic, or it means that it might be a little spammy because that's a lot of posts in one day. But hey, maybe not. So this would be one that I would definitely consider joining. Let's keep going. And let's do a different word. So we have business, we have, let's do biz. That's another word that we could do. Business, small business, any of those types of words, groups. All right, so here's a bunch of groups that I'm not a part of. So small biz community, wholesale vendors, DStash buy-in group, private group 19. It's a great place for boutiques, small business owners. These are all words that I like. Let's take a look at it. 20,000 members, and it looks like 88 new posts today. Awesome. So these are the types of groups that I would be joining. I will also say if you are, working with a particular type of niche, so maybe you like, working with moms, right? You could type in mom. I could type in, boss mom. This is a really, really great group. Another word could be, maybe you work specifically with authors. So I'm going to type in author. Again, go to groups and find groups that, a public group, probably not one I want to be a part of. Writers helping writers, this could be awesome. A private group, so if you are a copywriter or you like to work with authors, this would be a great group for you as well. So again, you don't just have to join general business groups, you can join niches that you particularly like working with as well. All right, step number 1 was to find those groups. Step number 2 is to actually search the group. So I'm gonna go to a group that I like. Let's do Jenna Kutcher's Goal Digger. It's a podcast group, but still, if you like working with podcasters, or if you just like Jenna Kutcher and think that you would like the type of people that she attracts, then that would be a good group. I've found this group really engaging and I like it a lot. So it is one that I spend time in. So what I'm gonna do now that I'm a part of this group, now you don't have to waste your time just scrolling. We are going to actually use this search, this magnifying glass in order to search. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for words like hire, okay? And what's gonna happen is it's actually going to show me the times in this group that people have posted looking for hire. I like to select most recent, that way I'm not missing anything. Let's see. Does anyone provide or know someone who provides consulting for Stripe and TaxJar? So if you were more of, an accountant, a virtual accountant, or had that type of experience, this would be good for you. Hello, I'm looking for a VA for a few small projects. Awesome. We already found one. This was posted within the last few days. Hey, social media managers looking for someone to run my social media. So these are all really, really great resources. And again, 10 comments, 38 comments, maybe a decent amount, but really not that bad, especially if you know how to show value first, you know how to grab their attention. This is a really great method for you. So we use the word hire. Another word that I like to use is help. Let's go ahead and type that in. Again, I'm going to select most recent. That way I'm getting the most. Now this is not going to be quite as good, but occasionally you'll be able to find, again, this one popped up for someone. I'm looking help with this tax compliance. People looking for feedback. Okay, here we go. In search of someone to help me keep up with comments on my dog's social media accounts. Okay, because literally I actually have a VA that works with pet influencers, so this would be perfect. So she never used the word hire, hiring, anything like that. But because I typed in the word help, this potential job position popped up. So help and hire. If you're a Pinterest manager, so let's, you could definitely type in the word VA or virtual assistant. If I'm a Pinterest manager, I would just type in the word Pinterest. Okay, and let's see what happens. So Jenna, I think, sells a Pinterest course, so a lot of that might come here. I'm looking for an expert for one of my clients. She's a personal brand. She wants, she's wanting to outsource all her social media to an agency that does Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok. Okay, again, outsource, that could be another good word. So in search of a Pinterest expert, again, never said help or hire or VA, but another job that's coming up. So this is how you actually use a search feature to find potential jobs inside of Facebook groups. All right, step number 3, I have to, of course, do a little bit of a shameless plug. If you have not joined the Virtual Assistant Savvies community, you have to do so. We have over 100,000 members in this group. We go live every single Tuesday at noon, sharing with you tips and tricks for how to build your virtual assistant business. And this is one of the best places to find a job. So not only can you use the search feature inside of this group, but we have a very special hashtag. We actually have the hashtag job up. And so whenever you search for that hashtag, what's going to happen is people who have submitted jobs to be posted in this group, it's going to come up. And we have so many jobs, you guys. Literally every single day we are getting so many jobs posted inside of this group. So this is a really great resource for you as well. A link to join our Virtual Assistant Savvies group will be below this video. 4 is to show value first. And guys, if you do all 3 of these steps, but you forget this final step, literally you will be wasting your time, because this is probably the most key thing that you can be doing to actually be landing these jobs. It's a method we call value first. Here's the thing, guys, you could find all these jobs and you could, 100 times a day be commenting, oh, here's, you're needing a VA in Colorado. I could type in me, this is something I do, here's my website, right? And it's giving them information, and they may inquire further on me, but you are so going to increase your chances if you do what we call value first. And simply what value first is giving them something that they didn't even ask for, to show either your personality or your work ethic. One of the things I could do is I could go up to Loom. I actually have a Loom extension, Loom, and I could record a video just of me and my face, actually showing some personality, telling why I'd be a good fit for the job, and then post the link to that video here. That is something that goes above and beyond what normal people are doing to try to stand out. You have to do something that's going to put you above the rest, right? Here's another one. Scott is looking for someone to record how-to videos for their YouTube channel. You'll need to record your screen while doing a voiceover, looking for around 7 videos a week. Videos will be 8 minutes long, and they're even asking for a sample, right? And if I were to go, I'm not going to click on this because I don't want to embarrass anybody, but if I were to go, probably most people would say, hey, me, here's my video, here's something that I think would be good. So what I would do instead is I would actually go look at Scott's profile, see what his YouTube channel is, and record a video. Record literally an 8-minute video, exactly show him my work. Now, if you are scared that he's gonna go and use that video, you can go and you can put some kind of image over the top of it, some kind of watermark, but still, that's a way to show, hey, I am in it, I'm showing value first, I'm giving you a glimpse into what I can do, and I promise you that's what's going to make you stand out above the rest. So this is our method called value first, and guys, it absolutely works. All right, I want to know in the comments below, have you tried this method and how did it work for you? Let me know in the comments. We love to hear from you guys. All right, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you have a tactic that you can take from this video, go out and get your very first paying client, because we love seeing you make money. It's one of our favorite things to do here. In fact, let's just do a few celebrations. Let's run through them. Ooh, look at this one. Oh my gosh, look how much money she made. Holy moly, that's really cool. We love celebrating you guys. Look at this. Yes, come on, let's get out, let's do it. We'll see you in the next video.